2 trees. Told you. Alright, you want to go down to the truck or you want to go to the playground for a minute? Alright, go straight across then. Good job. You use the bathroom? Oh, are you taking a shortcut through the grass? Almost. Let's try it again. Alright. High five, KMA! We did it! Rode Pine Loop, the connector, the short side of North Tower up to the fire tower, and back here, of course, to our destination, the playground. What are we going to do after we get out of here?
Ice cream!
Ice cream! Alright.